Okay, some few hours ago, a new model has been released by a company called Moonlight AI, and I'd like us to go through it with some pretty impressive benchmarks. It's an open source model. Yeah, so it goes by the name Kimi, Kimi, Kimi 3. As I've said, it's from Moonshot. It's a 2.8 trillion parameter model that rivals Fable 5, the industry standard, and it is said to have a hybrid linear mechanism and attention residual with native and visual understanding, roughly a million token context window. So I want us to preview it and compare it with the industry standard of Fable 5 and see how it performs together with it. So these are the metrics according to OpenRouter. As you've said, it is a million context, a million token context length, and the reasoning is also available in both models. The input modalities, they both accept photos and text, and output textual outputs. And also, this is where matters the most because Kimi 3 is an open source model. The price is $3 per million tokens compared to Fable 5, which goes for $10 per input for a million tokens. And on the output part, the pricing is $15 a million tokens for Kimi 3 and $50 for Fable 5. So I'll like us to jump straight into these other aspects. I would not really like us to go into it, but just from a rough view, if you look at them, they rival, sometimes even they compete with the top models in terms of coding capabilities, agentic capabilities, and also the intelligence. And for an open source model, this is it's an impressive feat. So let's go and see how it is. Okay, so this is it. As you can see, Kimi, I currently have an account there. So you have three options. There's Kimi Work, Kimi Code. I think this is a replica of Cloud Code. Kimi Claw, replica of also of OpenClaw. Sorry, not OpenClaw, but CloudBot. Yeah, yeah, OpenClaw. And each is specifically tailored to use Kimi 3, which is the highest reasoning model that they have. They have K3 Swarm, which is actually for linear processes, long linear processes that require continuous, long and continuous processes and procedures. And K2, which is a fast chat-based model that you can interact with. So let's go and see the samples that they have provided here. So what is this? It's kind of an immersion of a black hole and rendering such an illusion or a diagram or an image or video normally consumes a lot of computing resources. And also for a model, an open source model to generate such kind of work, it's pretty impressive. Let's also check all the real-time satellite views. So all the satellites that are surrounding us. check Kenya. I'm currently located. Take this one. Provided you the name, it's a Starlink satellite. Currently moving at 7 kilometers per second. Inclination also is provided. Also another Starlink satellite. Let's look at this other one, random one. The Chinese satellite. There's also a Starlink satellite. Chinese satellite. Starlink satellite. This is also have a look at this other rendering example. For an open source model to perform such kind of work, it's a great milestone. Currently, at the rate in which the input and output tokens are being provided for, it is can be commendable as an option now, complete option for coding. Previously, we used to think that Chinese models are maybe just cover-ups to perform basic tasks and do the menial duties that don't require a lot of computing capabilities. But at the moment, they're really catching up. This is impressive, really impressive. Finally, let's look at this game they have created. On it, it's loading. It's loading. Okay, let's go. It's commendable. Though the graphics are a bit mm, fidgety, a bit choppy. See, simulation of an open world scenario. So far, so good. These are examples of research that he is able to do, kind of websites that he can create. You can see a VS Code replica, website for the British Museum Review. High quality website using an open source model. Yeah, so that's it. That's it for today. I think this is pretty impressive. In the few months to come, I think we will have a model that rivals, even overthrows and topples big tech models and open source models. So this is pretty impressive for Kimi 3. Let's wait and see in the coming few weeks or months what awaits, but it's a pretty good milestone for the open source community in AI. Thank you.